Is your Roborock Dyad hose broken like this? If you're seeing persistent puddles or reduced cleaning power, you're not alone. Broken hose is an incredibly common issue for Roborock Dyad owners. This flexible tube is the main channel for all that dirty water, and over time, stress and movement can cause it to crack. When that happens, your vacuum can't create a proper seal. This means terrible suction and, even worse, it starts leaking grimy water back onto the very floor you're trying to clean. You bought it to erase messes, not paint your floor with them. Ignoring a Dyad broken hose isn't just about a little puddle. This constant moisture can lead to bigger problems like mold growth, damage to your floors, and even internal component failures in your beloved vacuum. You'll also notice a significant drop in cleaning efficiency. But don't worry, you've come to the right place. RoboCare is here to help. At RoboCare, this is a repair we see all the time. Our expert technicians know the Roborock Dyad inside and out. We understand exactly why this part fails, and more importantly, how to fix it for good. We don't do temporary patches or quick fixes. Our process involves carefully disassembling the unit, removing the entire faulty hose assembly, and replacing it with a genuine component. We ensure every connection is secure and perfectly sealed to restore your vacuum's performance. It's a precise vacuum repair that guarantees results. Now, let's see what a difference a professional repair makes. And just like that, perfect suction, zero leaks, and a sparkling clean floor. This Dyad is back and working like new. Have a broken hose or any other vacuum problem? Visit our website or call us today.